Good morning, students, and hello, parents. Today, I welcome you all in the craft class of Standard 3. In this class, we are going to learn how to make a helicopter, which is a means of air transport. So, without wasting our time, let's learn. The materials required for making a helicopter are as follow. First, we would require an A4 sheet of papers of different colors. The first, which I am going to demonstrate over here, is of light green color. Second one is of white color. Third one is of navy blue color. And the last one is of pink color. Apart from these, you also need an A4 sheet paper of light blue color. We also require few other craft materials such as a black marker, a Fevicol and a scissor. So after coming to know the materials required, let's understand and learn how to make the helicopter with the help of these craft materials. First, as I've told you, you require a pink sheet of paper, and out of this pink sheet of paper, you have to cut in a shape of a helicopter. So after making the structure or the outline of a helicopter's body, we require different parts to be pasted, such as the wing blades. In order to make the wing blades, you need a light colored blue sheet of paper. You have to paste this on the topmost portion of this structure. So I'm going to paste it over here with the help of Fevicol. In this manner, we will cut out two rectangular pieces of papers. These two rectangular pieces of papers are going to be pasted over here like this. So I'm going to paste it with the help of Fevicol again. So I have pasted one of the supports, and right now I'm pasting the another one. For that, I need to lift it a little bit and then I will paste it. After finishing with these two supports, now it's a time to fix up another wing which is placed at the tail of this helicopter. And for that, you need to cut a dark blue sheet of paper in this shape, just like a boomerang, and then you have to paste it at the end of this helicopter like this. So I'm pasting it with the help of Fevicol now. So I'm pasting it now, as you can see. So I've pasted it at the tip or at the end of this helicopter's tail. Now I'm going to paste this strip of paper of blue color just over here with the help of Fevicol. You have to lift the paper little bit so that it can be pasted nicely and correctly. Now I'm going to paste these two rectangular supports on the back side of this paper and below this lower edge of blue stripe of paper. So I'm going to do that. So again we need to lift it a little bit. After pasting these two, I'm going to paste this rectangular stripe of paper below these, and for that I will apply a Fevicol on the back side or of these supports. So in this way, our helicopter is about to complete, but there is again something missing over here. That are the windshield of this helicopter. For that, I've taken these rectangular and trapezoidal pieces of light green papers, and I'm going to paste them over here in order to give a real appearance of windshield or glasses. I'm going to paste it on this side like this, and then I'm going to paste the another trapezoidal piece of paper. In this way our helicopter is ready, but there is something to be drawn with the help of this black marker, and that is a junction of the connection between a wing blades as well as the topmost structure of the helicopter. And apart from that, I'm going to write over here also helicopter in a beautiful writing. So in this way, children, our helicopter is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this craft work and surely going to practice it at your home. So as you can see that our helicopter is ready, and I'm sure that you all have enjoyed this craft work and surely going to practice it under the able leadership and guidance of your parents. Thank you, children.